Welcome to that'scoolwire.com. In this video, we're going to really make it short, but we want to make it informative. So the purpose of this video is to show you how our adhesive that we use with our new EL Wire designer mounts are a great combination. So a lot of times we get questions, can I mount it on this surface, or how do I mount it on clothing or sheetrock or glass or wood or my skateboard? All kinds of materials. So in this one, we just want to show you that it does work. So we're going to start off first with the piece of sheetrock we have here and the piece of glass. We already went ahead and attached these by putting a drop of our adhesive on the bottom of these. So as you can see, as I lift this up, I can shake this. It's sticking on really, really well. Okay. Same thing with the sheetrock. If I were to lift this up, you can see the sheetrock is being lifted up, so it only takes a drop of the glue. But just to prove to you that there's we didn't do anything tricky or anything to kind of make this happen. So we're just going to do a few. So I'm going to take the adhesive, I'm going to put a drop on the back, and I'm just going to smear it around. Kind of get all the corners. And I'm just going to put it on the glass. I'll put it right here in the corner. Okay, I'm going to push down. And let's grab another one, and again, all these are on, but I'll do one more. I'll squeeze it out. As you can see, it's on there. I'm just going to smear it. And let's just pick this corner. Now the reason I'm doing these two first, which is the sheetrock and the glass, these are the two that absolutely take the longest. On clothing, you typically are set to go within I don't know, 5 to 10 seconds. It's ready, the mounts are on, and you don't have anything to worry about. These two surfaces will take a little bit longer, so that's why I did them first. So we're going to come back to these. So as you can see, I have a pair of pants right here. We went ahead and we did some of the mounts already with the glue. So I'm just going to lift this up, and the camera will zoom in, and you can see how my fingers are kind of squeezing hard, and I'm trying to lift up. And I cannot take this mount off, so they will not fall off. So we did them in a couple of areas. We have all kinds of different mounts. There's another one. We have our black mount. It's hard to see because the pants are black, but again, they don't come up. These are two that we did also just to kind of contrast the black with the white that you can see them. I'm going to pull up, and it's hard. Again, I just want to show you that we're going to put another one on here so you can actually see it. So we're just going to put a drop on there. I'm going to smear it. And let's just put that one, I don't know, right here. And then the other one is, can I, put it on my jeans? I don't know, let's just use this one. A drop. Smear it. And I will just grab the sleeve here, and let's just put it on right here. Okay, we're just going to let that set for a few seconds. So here's the one that we just did on the pants, okay? So already you can see that it's holding. You can see that if I hold this down, already I'm causing it to stretch and it's not coming off. And if you wait another 2 minutes, it's really going to be cured on there, but it's on there. We just did this not too long ago. I'm going to lift it up. You can see already that if I hold it down here, my fingers are really kind of squeezing this thing. I can't take it off. So you can see that this thing is working. So that takes care of the pants and then the jeans. So what we're going to do right now is come back to the glass and see if it's cured yet. So we went ahead and we put on this mount and then this one in the corner. So, I don't know, let's just start with the glass one. So I'm going to lift it up, and as you can see already, it's already stuck on the glass, and it's holding. Now, let's see if this one's dry, so I'm going to just try to lift it up a little bit, and it looks like it is, and if I can squeeze it hard enough, I can maybe lift it up, so you can see now that the sheetrock is coming up, which shows you that you have a very strong mount now just by one little drop of the adhesive on here. So you can put it on glass, you can put it on sheetrock. So here we have a t-shirt. I don't know why we're doing this. I mean, the material may be slightly different than the pants or the denim jacket, But again, we did it on here. You can see when I'm stretching it, it's on. So you can stick it onto t-shirts. We're not going to demonstrate by putting one on because you've already seen it work on the other fabric. So the nice thing here is this hat is white. We used our white mounts. So they're kind of really nice to kind of blend into the background. If you had a black hat, you can use the black mounts. So it would hide in and blend in better. Again, you're putting these on, you know, you just snap the wire in these mounts, but I'm going to take it off. I'm going to pull this up, and you can see it's just on there. It's that simple. So we've covered the glass, the sheetrock, we had the pair of pants, the denim jacket, we have the hat and everything here. So the other materials that we just kind of grabbed to see what we have around here is some hardcore foam boards. The face is hard. You have some of the soft ones. It'll work on that, but this is the harder one. And then we have a piece of wood right here that we also put the mounts on. So again, one drop, lifting this up, and you cannot take this off at all. So the biggest part is, let's go back to the hat again. If you want to go ahead and do a specific design, it could be a star, if you have a logo, or if you have something, we can go ahead and 3D print a part for you that you can actually glue on to here. So we're just going to really show you really quick the 3D printer in action right now, and then we'll come right back. So again, it's on this little foam board again, and so again, it's just it holds on to any surface. The whole point of this thing is the adhesive we use with our designer mounts. You can pretty much mount it on anything, and so the biggest question we've always have gotten has been, how do I attach it to this? How do I attach it to that? How do I put it on my ceiling? How do I create edge lighting in my room? Put it in my car. So now we can get these mounts, design a special mount to fit your application, apply some of the adhesive, and then you can have like a really good bond on here. We put them on skateboards and other materials, so we're very confident in this combination. Anyway, we appreciate you watching this video at that'scoolwire.com, and if you have any questions, give us a call toll free 866-435-9473.